Uh, Hello, welcome. Today again we are going to discuss about some that SE questions, and today we are going to talk about Pabson 200. It is of Karnali. We can say Sudrapati. So, so let's start from first. Now, what do you mean by primary key? So, primary key it is a field, and it identifies the row uniquely. So that is primary key. What is database? Give an example. So database means well organized collection of data or the record. So that is called database. Example can be record of students, teachers, books, dictionary, etc. Next is the cyber ethics. So what is cyber ethics? Cyber ethics. Ethics simply say that some moral principles we have to follow when we go for the cyberspace, means whenever we use that internet and we download, upload, and etc. So that all moral principles are called cyber ethics. Write any two keywords using C programming. Any two keywords using C programming are int and char. What do you mean by B2C model of e-commerce? B2C stands for uh, business to business to uh, consumer, we can say. So what it says that, so there would be a business house and that sells all the products to the consumer directly. So this in this model, so selling is done by the business house to the consumer. And next is what is function of int in QBasic. Int means uh, so getting the integer part only after division. Uh, of one number by another number. Now next we have here write appropriate technical term for following in a device used to connect two networks with different communication protocols, and obviously it is gateway. And next is a person who breaks computer security and uses a computer and file present in it, so that is hacker, obviously. Next we have here full form voice over internet protocol, WLAN, so wireless local area network, we can say. Now we have some uh, questions answers under group B. So what is this? Let's discuss about this one. Computer network architecture measures types. So network architecture, it depends how the computers they communicate and how they are configured in the networking environment. Like its types can be centralized, we can make centralized, distributed, peer-to-peer as well. So these are the types. Now next we have there what is firewall, uh, types of firewall. So what is the firewall? Firewall, so we can say, as the name says, firewall means it's the security system applied uh, between the users, outsiders, and the insiders uh, to secure the system, to protect the system. So that is called firewall. Mainly we have two types of firewall. The first is the hardware, and second is the software. Yes, software means mostly it comes with the OS, or we can also buy them. Hardware, mostly it comes with the switches, we have that routers, gateways, etc. So that is called uh, a software hardware firewall. Next we have the difference between computerized and non-computerized databases. So in earlier days, that yes, we used to have the databases which was not computerized, in which we used to store the data in the form of TXT files, in the form of TXT files, uh, and which was not reliable. So, and linking multiple files, it was very difficult job for the programmers as well as the designers. As a result, we got the computer database systems. So, in computer database systems, the well-organized data or records we can find there, whereas non-computers we cannot find that. In computer systems, multiple users they can access same file at same time. In non-computers, it is very difficult there. When we talk about the security is less in this non-computer databases. Security is high in these computer databases. Now, next is what is AI? In list two applications area of AI. So AI, it stands for artificial intelligence. It is that area or the branch of computer science in which we make that machine just as smart as the human being is. So that is artificial intelligence. Means the human beings uh, they are smart, but the machine they become more smarter than human beings. So that is AI. Two applications it can be there. Natural language processing and the robotics. Now next we have here what is hardware security? Two measures to protect it. As the name says that so it is the mechanism technology we use to protect the hardwares. Maybe from the damages, thefts, unauthorized accesses. So that becomes hardware security. It's two measures can be there. So frequently we have to maintain it. We can go for the insurance. We can go for the uh, power surging devices, etc. Next is what is field property in MS Access English and four of them. So field property it simply says whatever data we are going to store in our database. So that is field property. And what happens actually if a user enters wrong data, what happens if a user does not enter the data? So that is called field property. Of be aware of the fields, what to do and what not to do. So any four of them, we are asked right there. So can be there field size, format can be there, default value can be there, validation rule can be there, mask can be there, etc. Next is what is indexing? Why format reports are used in MS Access? Indexing, it simply says that put the that records of the data in particular order. So that is indexing, and that order it makes searching faster and action that arrangement in well organized format. Form attribute are used in MS Access. When we talk about the form, then form it is an object and it is used to enter the data. It provides a better gateway to enter the data in table, and we can also directly switch to particular record in the navigation. Whereas report it can be used to print the documents or the summarized report so that it can be used for the decision making. Next is what is query? Like the types of action query. Query. Query simply says that it is an object, yes, and it is used to extract the information from the databases or the tables we can see. Action query types it can be the event, update, and delete, make new table, etc. So this is how we can write some lengthy answers for this fourth number. Okay. Now we have here write the output of given program work with dry run table. So let's take this program and let's analyze one by one what is going to happen when we run it. Later on we will also see by running the program. So 2080 Karnali Pabson. So here is a program. Now let's make a table here. How many variables are there? 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6 variables are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's start discussion from first. What is the first value of C? C equals to 3. So C equals to 3, B equals to 2, loop is I equals to 2 to 8. Step 2. So first I is 2. So true, condition true here. Now next is here. We are asked to print the value C. So print C. So what it prints there? C is 3. So it prints 3. Now next we have here swap B and C, means the value of C is taken by B and the value of B is taken by C. So swap B, C. So in this what happens here? C becomes 2 and B becomes 3. Yes. Okay. Now the value of B is changed again. B equals to C plus 1. It becomes now, what is C? C is 2. So B becomes 3. Yes. Yes. Now in second iteration it becomes there. In second iteration what happens here? C, it becomes C becomes 2. Yes. And B becomes 3. Okay. Now we have here after 2, let's say it becomes 4, again true, then C, so it becomes here C means 2 to find it. Again swapping is done there, swapping B and C. So again it becomes C equals to 3 and B equals to 2. Now what is value B? C. C is 3. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So that was second iteration. Now in next iteration what happens? It becomes 4, after that 6. Again true. Yes. And what is value of C and B? C is 3 and B is 2. Again there. No. So there is a mistake I think we have done here. B is 3. B is 3 here. Fine. So B becomes 3 here. And so before that 3, B equals to 3. Find the what is value of C? C 2. Find there. It is find there. Print C. Find there. Now C equals to 3. B equals to 3. Now here equals to 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. So what is the value of B now? B is 4. Am I right? Yes, B is 4 here. C is swapped. C is 3. Okay, find B is 4. Condition being true. What is the value of print C? That is 3. Now again swapping is done. So C is 4 and B is 3. Again B value B is changed here. So B equals to C plus 1. So what is C? That is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So that is 5. Now in next iteration it becomes 8. Condition true. Okay. Now in this iteration what happens? What is the value of C? C is 4 and the B is 5. C again it is printed here. C for here. Swap B and C. So C is 5, B is 4. What is the value of B? C plus 1, that is 6. Next time it becomes 10. So false. Okay. So this is how we get the output. So output as we can see, output 3234. It is going to give us. Now let's run it. Okay, now let's run it. So look here, 3234, it is saying what was the output we just discussed there, 3234. So look here, it is output 3234. Yes, so we have got same output here, output 3234. Okay, so this is how it works there, and it's a very simple way. Sometimes it becomes confusing, so we have to dissect it carefully and we will write the output carefully in each iteration. I hope you understood about this one. Okay, now let's go for the next program here. In next program, what we are asked here, rewrite the given code after coding the box. So let's go for it. Okay. So what is the question? To add few records. Yes. So first is this. We have to write append. Next is here find open that existing file child number 2. So since child number 2 is here, so here is the next mistake. Now next is here while okay name post salary employee name post salary name post salary print. So here is the next mistake here. To it input print channel number 2. Okay, fine. In input also can be done then. Anything mistake there? Output here. Print channel number 2. This fine there. Input 8 more records. Okay. So here is the next mistake. Dollar. Okay. Loop while. Here is the new case. So this is the next mistake. Okay. So these are the mistakes we have found there. Some may be the typo error. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. Study the following program and answer the given questions. Name the user-defined function in our program. What is a user-defined function? It is sum. Yes. So this is the user-defined function with one parameter n. How many times should the while when loop repeats if the value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4 if we give, then how many times it will repeat the program? And obviously 4 times it will be. Okay. So these are the conversions we can do easily. Now next we have the right program which we have already done here in previous video. We wrote this type of program. Next is a signature data file. This contains name, address, salary, employees. Display the record those salary more than 37,000 whose name in Swiss DHA. So let's go for it. Let's write 9b. Hello. Okay. So what are the titles here? That's name, address, salary of employees. Name, address, and salary. If so, what are the conditions here? Whose salary is more than 37,000 and name ends with DHA.
So here is the output. uh, in this way we can write the instead DHA three characters. We can also use case. What we can do there, we can directly use inside the DHA. Yes, let's save it. Now let's go with the next question here. What is the next question here? To input a character to check whether it is a vowel or consonant. Yes, let's go for the 10 number. Okay, we have to input a character here. So that's all. Now let's run it. So look here, it is a constant. It is a vowel. But it is saying that it is a consonant. Okay. Let's check it. Another variable here. So C equals to C, 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 C. It's a vowel. So minor changes we have to do here. So this is how we can run the program using two lower and two upper functions. And these two lower and upper for this we have to use C type dot s, though it is not displaying any warning there, but better it we include here C type dot s. Now let's run the program again. Okay, so let's keep suppose D, it is a constant, and let's give here D, it is a constant. Let's give uh, capital O, it is a vowel. Let's give capital E, it is a vowel. Yes. Now next program is a input number, check whether it is palindrome or not. So let's go for it. Let's give a number here. We need we are asked to know that is palindrome or not. So palindrome means same number from both the sides. First, what we have to do? We have to reverse, and we have to compare that with the original number. Yes. First, we have to find that remainder. Yes. Let's put one statement here, and 1 equals to n. Okay, if let's save it. uh, it is again displaying same characters here. So let's run online here. Let's give a number 1 2 3. It's not a palindrome. Yes, let's again run it. Let's give another number 1 2 1. It is palindrome. So this is how we can run the program, we can get the output, and so on. I hope you understand about this one. If you have any question, then just use the chat box and just unsend these all the programs. So this is how we can write the programs and so use the logic and so on. Okay, this one for today. Tomorrow again at same time we'll be discussing some more programs from different provinces and the that Papsons. Thank you. Take care.